Hey. It's Wednesday. Dan-O-Vision's here in Henderson, Nevada, St Rose Parkway in Eastern, at the T-Bird Lounge and Restaurant, where you can play video poker while you eat. We have an early morning brekkie going on here, 7 to 9 o'clock. A few guys with their cars show up. And let's take a walk, see all who's here. A couple SLs, older one, a newer one. Excuse me, one's CLK. Got a couple Corvettes. Got Chrysler, another Corvette with a fat fender Ford nestled in the middle. Over here we got some Mustangs, Miata. Looks to be like a 90 Mustang, 5-liter convertible. Along with a couple late model Porsches. New Jaguar with some more Porsches. A couple old Carreras, 911s. Playing security guard to the new 998. So unless you're familiar with this area, the 215 is just down the road a piece. This is Eastern, one of the major arteries here over Henderson, and runs all the way up, intersects at St Rose Parkway. So there you have it. That's what's going on here this morning at T-Bird Lounge, Henderson, Nevada. Early morning, 7 to 9 breakfast. I'm Dan-O reporting live.